first of all, a very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Rashi Singh, Bhadauria. I am a student of BCom third year, 5th semester of Lko-DoC Girls Postgraduate College. And I am here to represent my views on the topic company law, which is related to the Memorandum of Association and the Article of Association. So, in this particular presentation, I'll be explaining about the meaning, features of Memorandum of Association with their differences. And through this presentation, I'll share my findings, my analysis and conclusion about this topic. So now I'm going to explain about the meaning and definition of Memorandum of Association and the Article of Association. So now the question arises that what is Memorandum of Association and the Article of Association? So basically the Memorandum of Association is a charter of a company that defines company's external scope, like name of the company, nature of the business, and the location of the registrar office. While the Article of Association provide the internal scope or rules and regulation for company's management, what are the duties of directors and what are the rights of shareholders. So basically, Memorandum of Association is a more fundamental and authoritative document, while Article of Association must not contradict, like it should be filled with the registrar of the company during the time of incorporation of the company. So the features of the Memorandum of Association are that the Memorandum of Association, the registration under it is very compulsory, like it is mandatory for each and every business to have this document, and registration is mandatory, and it is the prime and the supreme document for the company, and it subordinates with the company's act. Now I will represent about the feature of Article of Association. So Article of Association is not that much mandatory document as Memorandum of Association. So it is basically the Article of Association is the secondary document. Article of Association is the secondary document, and under Article of Association, the registration is not mandatory; it's optional, and it subordinates. Article of Association subordinates with the company, with both the Memorandum of Association and Companies Act, and it also laid down the rule for internal management and procedures. So this was the features which I have explained. Now there are some key differences between the Memorandum of Association and the Article of Association. So as I have explained above that, the main differences which I am going to explain is, first is the meaning of Memorandum of Association and the Article of Association. So as I have explained earlier that the Memorandum of Association is a charter of a company that defines the company's external scope, like name of the business, nature
What
of
is
the
the meaning of
business.
charter?
Sir, it's the main document. Like this is the main document of the company. Like each and every company should have this document. It's the mandatory. Like it's a legal document with the strict rules. And Article of Association is the internal rule book. That governs its day-to-day management.
Is AOA compulsory?
Sir, it's not compulsory, but Memorandum of Association is compulsory.
AOA is not compulsory.
Sir,
नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता. यस और नो आंसर करो. हाँ या नहीं.
The Memorandum of Association is considered as the supreme, like it's the prime document for the companies, and Article of Association is the secondary document for the company. Now the purpose of Memorandum of Association is to specify the rules and objective of the company, but the purpose of Article of Association is to just lay down the rules for internal management and procedures like that. And registration is compulsory under Memorandum of Association, but registration is not so compulsory. It's optional in case of Article of Association.
If the registration is optional, then how it is compulsory to be prepared AOA? If it is optional, then preparation is compulsory.
So preparation is compulsory, so we have to prepare. But under the Article of Association, there is the things that are mentioned is the duties of directors and the right of shareholder that are not so
चलो, if some company, let's take example of a public company, अगर वो AOA नहीं बनाती है, so is there any specific rule in the company law that will be applicable to the company or not?
Sir, it should prepare, but if
क्या
it
है
is not,
रूल का नाम बताओ.
sir, table F, the rule of table F will be
Yes,
followed.
correct answer, table F. Good. ठीक है.
And the alteration is it's slight tough.
चलिए
in
conclude it
memorandum of-
within 30 seconds. Conclude करो.
So alteration is tough in Memorandum of Association, but it's not tough in Article of Association. Like it can be done by passing the special resolution. Special resolution means we have to take the permission from the central government, like that. And Memorandum of Association can subordinate with the company law, but Article of Association can be subordinate with both company law and Memorandum of Association. Memorandum of Association is less, it's rigid in nature, and Article of Association is flexible. Flexible, yeah, it is flexible. So, yeah, this was my topic. Thank you so much, everyone.